Step into the unknown, Mystery Seeker, where the mystery unfolds. In 1872, a merchant sailing ship named Mary Celeste began a route voyage across the Atlantic Ocean. Ships like this traveled between continents every year carrying goods and supplies. Nothing about this journey seemed unusual at the time, and no one could imagine that this ordinary voyage would soon become one of the most puzzling mysteries in maritime history. The Mary Celeste departed from New York Harbor with its captain Benjamin Briggs, along with the several experienced sailors. The ship carried cargo in its lower decks and supplies for the long journey ahead. Everything appeared perfectly normal as the vessel slowly left the harbor and sailed toward the open waters of the Atlantic. For the crew, the journey across the Atlantic was familiar territory. Merchant ships regularly traveled between America and Europe, and the route was well known to sailors. The ocean was vast and unpredictable, but experienced crews like this had crossed it many times before without serious trouble. As days passed, the Mary Celeste continued its voyage across the wide Atlantic Ocean. The ship sailed steadily through changing weather and long stretches of open water. Life on board likely followed the usual routine of navigation, maintaining sails, checking cargo, and watching the endless horizon. But somewhere during this voyage, something unexpected happened. The details of that moment remain unknown even today. There were no witnesses left to describe what occurred on the ship, and the clues discovered later would only make the mystery deeper. Weeks later, another merchant vessel sailing through the Atlantic spotted a ship drifting strangely in the distance. At first glance, it appeared to be moving slowly without clear direction. Something about the vessel's behavior caught the attention of the sailors watching them from afar. As the crew observed the drifting ship through their spyglasses, they noticed something unusual. The sails were partly open and the ship appeared seaworthy, yet no sailors could be seen moving on the deck, which was highly unusual for a vessel traveling across the ocean. Curious and concerned, the sailors decided to approach the mysterious vessel. Ships encountering others at sea often investigated if something seemed wrong, since sailors relied on each other for help in dangerous waters. When the investigating crew sealed closer, they recognized the ship's name painted on its side. It was the Mary Celeste, the very vessel that had left New York earlier. But something immediately became clear as they drew nearer. The ship appeared completely deserted. No crew members were visible anywhere on the deck. Carefully, the sailors boarded the drifting vessel to investigate. They expected to find signs of damage, chaos, or perhaps survivors in distress. Instead, they found something far more mysterious. The ship itself was still in good condition. The hull was intact, the sails were still attached, and the vessel appeared capable of continuing its journey. As the investigators walked across the deck, the silence was unsettling. There were no voices, no footsteps, and no sign of the crew that had once sailed the ship. Inside the captain's cabin, they discovered charts, navigation tools, and documents left behind exactly where they have been used. It looked as if the crew had left suddenly. The ship's cargo was still stored in the lower deck. Barrels and supplies remained untouched, suggesting that theft or piracy was unlikely. Even food supplies and everyday items were still present on the ship. Nothing indicated a struggle or emergency that would force everyone to flee. Personal belongings belonging to the crew were also left behind. Clothes, equipment, and tools remained exactly where they had been used. However, one important piece of equipment was missing: the ship's lifeboat. This detail puzzled investigators greatly. If the crew had abandoned the ship, they likely escaped during that small boat. But why leave a large functioning vessel for a tiny lifeboat in the middle of the ocean? The weather conditions during that time were not extreme. There were no clear signs of a violent storm that would force the crew to abandon ship. Investigators carefully searched the entire vessel for clues. Every corner of the ship was examined, hoping to uncover evidence explaining the disappearance. Yet the more they looked, the stranger the mystery became. Everyone seemed orderly, as if the crew had simply stepped away and never returned. News of the mysterious discovery quickly spread among sailors and investigators. The story of the empty ship captured the imagination of people around the world. Many theories were suggested to explain the strange disappearance. Some believed the crew feared the ship might sink and escape too quickly. Others suggested natural events such as unusual sea conditions might have caused panic among the crew. Some people speculated about criminal activity, but investigators found no convincing evidence of violence or piracy. Over the decades, historians and researchers continued studying the case, hoping new information might solve the mystery. Yet, despite all the investigations, no definitive explanation has ever been confirmed. The Mary Celeste remains one of the most famous maritime mysteries ever recorded, continuing to intrigue historians and storytellers. Even today, the fate of the crew remains unknown, leaving behind an enduring question: what truly happened on the Mary Celeste during the final voyage across the Atlantic? Thanks for watching Mystery Seekers, where mysteries unfold and get unlocked.